Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing one of the most trusted and best-selling products in the world of dog care, the best Teamoy dog diapers. If you're a pet parent looking for a washable, reliable, and budget-friendly solution for male dogs dealing with marking, incontinence, or potty training, this is the video for you. Let's get right into it. Meet the Teamoy reusable wrap diapers for male dogs, medium size. Designed for dogs with a waist size of 13 to 16 inches, this pack comes with 3 belly bands in classic and stylish colors: black, gray, and lake blue. These wraps are built with the comfort of your dog and the convenience of the owner in mind. And while there are plenty of belly bands out there, what makes Teamoy stand out is a combination of performance, durability, and value. Let's talk about design first. The wraps are padded, soft, and thoughtfully constructed with an inner liner that sits comfortably against your dog's skin. The fabric is breathable and gentle, so it won't cause irritation even after extended wear. Inside, there's a highly absorbent microfiber core layered with leak-proof protection. We're talking 2 layers that can hold in liquid without letting it escape. Whether it's for indoor accidents or outdoor excursions, this diaper's absorbency is dependable. One of the most appreciated features of this product is the wide, secure magic tape closure. Unlike flimsy hook and loop straps you find on cheaper wraps, Teamoy uses a large square-shaped tape that covers a bigger surface area. That means it stays in place even with active dogs who like to roll, run, or wiggle. You won't have to worry about it slipping or coming off randomly during playtime or walks. Adjusting the fit is also super easy. Just stretch and attach to match your dog's waist perfectly. The outer layer of these wraps is made of waterproof polyester material, adding an extra line of defense against leaks. But what makes them even more appealing is that they're reusable and machine washable. Just make sure to stick the magic tape pieces together before tossing them in the wash, and they'll come out clean and ready to go. You can wash them by hand too, but the material is sturdy enough to handle multiple machine washes without breaking down. Let them air dry, and they'll last you a long time. Now, let's talk about practicality. These diapers are not only useful for untrained puppies, but they're also a game changer for senior dogs who suffer from incontinence or younger pups prone to excited urination. If your male dog tends to mark territory around the house, these belly bands are a lifesaver. They help keep your furniture, carpets, and bedding safe, and your stress level low. Sizing can often be tricky when shopping for pet products, but Teamoy offers a full range of sizes from extra small to XXL, including special sizes like L1 and L2, making it easier to find the right fit for any breed or body shape. Still, it's always a good idea to measure your dog's waist before buying, just to be safe. One thing to note: this product does not include removable pads. However, thanks to the thick absorbent microfiber layers and leak-proof construction, it doesn't really need any. The built-in absorbency is sufficient for most use cases, and that keeps the design more lightweight and less bulky for your dog to wear. Unfortunately, as of now, this particular product doesn't ship to all international locations, so make sure to check shipping eligibility for your area. To sum it up, the Teamoy reusable wrap diapers for male dogs are a dependable, high-quality option that offers comfort, functionality, and excellent value. Whether you're training a puppy or caring for an aging pet, this product is worth every penny and stands out in a crowded market. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your pet care tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.